Running a business today is not just about generating sales. It is about visibility. It is about control. It is about accountability. And most importantly, it is about having everything connected in one place. One of the biggest challenges business owners face is the lack of operational transparency. What is happening with the sales team? Which deals are progressing? Which quotations are pending? Which invoices are unpaid? Which employees are actively working? And how much revenue is actually moving through the business? Most companies still depend on WhatsApp messages, Excel sheets, calls, and manual follow-ups just to understand what is going on. This is exactly where DocuProjects changes the experience with leads to deals, to quotes, to invoices, to sales revenue visibility, all in one connected platform. Let's see the system in action. The moment you log in, you get a live operational snapshot of your entire business. You can instantly monitor invoice collections, outstanding receivables, your active pipeline, quotation activity, activity trends, recent activities, and operational activities happening across the organization in real time. Instead of asking different departments for updates, the system itself gives management immediate visibility. For business owners and leadership teams, this creates a centralized control environment where you can monitor the business without depending on constant manual reporting. And the best part is, this visibility is not limited to the office. This dashboard info and tasks are accessible through mobile devices. Whether you are traveling, attending meetings, working remotely, or managing multiple teams across locations, you can monitor your business directly from your mobile phone without needing to sit in front of a laptop. Beyond dashboards, DocuProjects also provides a dedicated reports hub designed specifically for management insights and decision-making. Business owners can instantly access revenue reports, sales performance, outstanding invoices, deal stage analysis, task tracking, employee productivity, sales cycle analysis, business activity trends, and more. These are not just static reports. They are live business insights designed to help management make faster and smarter operational decisions. All reports can also be downloaded directly into Excel for finance reviews, presentations, or deeper analysis. The platform is also designed to be extremely user-friendly and controllable from an administration perspective. During the initial setup, businesses can configure their company branding, logo, invoice settings, TRN information, IBAN details, payment instructions, and customer-facing business notes. Administrators can also manage products, transfer leads between employees, create users, provided related access, and maintain operational continuity across the organization. Now, moving into the operational side of the platform. The CRM module allows businesses to manage their entire lead-to-quote journey in one connected flow. Lead creation is designed to be extremely simple and flexible. For companies that already have existing lead databases, the system provides a bulk lead import feature using a predefined template. The template clearly identifies mandatory and optional fields, making the import process simple even for non-technical users. During upload, the system automatically validates the data, identifies duplicate leads, and highlights invalid rows before final submission, ensuring clean and structured CRM data. Users can also manually create leads directly from the system. The platform supports both B2B company leads and B2C customer leads. For B2B leads, users can create complete company profiles, add multiple contacts, attach trade licenses, VAT certificates, and maintain all related customer information in one centralized location. The platform is designed to minimize operational complexity while maximizing visibility and accessibility. Now, once leads are created, users can seamlessly move into the Deals module. Deals can be created directly against existing leads, allowing teams to manage opportunities, quotations, pricing, and negotiations from one connected screen. One of the key advantages of DocuProjects is its live multi-currency capability. Businesses operating across multiple countries can create quotations in different currencies while still maintaining centralized reporting in a single base currency. The system automatically retrieves live exchange rates through online API integration. Users can either use the live market rate or manually adjust exchange rates based on internal company policies or negotiated commercial agreements. Once the currency is selected, the platform automatically recalculates product pricing instantly. Products can also be created dynamically during deal creation itself, eliminating the need to stop operations and configure products separately. This makes the quotation process significantly faster and more flexible for sales teams. Once the deal is ready, users can generate and finalize quotations directly from the platform. The system automatically generates quotation numbers and also supports quotation revision management. If changes are required later, users can revise the quotation while maintaining proper version history and revision tracking. Quotations can be emailed directly from the system, and automated follow-up reminders can also be configured, so customers continue receiving reminders automatically until action is taken. Once the customer approves the quotation, the deal can be marked as won, moving the workflow directly into finance operations. Now, another critical operational area inside businesses is task coordination. DocuProjects includes a fully integrated task management module designed to improve accountability and internal collaboration. Tasks can be created directly from desktop or mobile devices and assigned to employees instantly. Users can link tasks to deals, define priorities, add remarks, assign due dates, and track progress centrally. The moment a task is assigned, the responsible employee receives an instant notification through the dashboard and mobile application. This creates complete operational transparency across departments. Management can instantly monitor which tasks are pending, who is responsible, which activities are overdue, and how operational execution is progressing across teams. Moving into invoicing. Once a deal is marked as won, the finance team can immediately generate invoices directly from the Generate Invoice option. This creates a smooth and connected process between sales and finance without any manual errors and duplicate data entry. Finance users can review quotations, finalize invoices, define payment due dates, and manage receivables directly from the platform. Once payments are received, invoices can be marked as paid while capturing payment methods, payment dates, remarks, and supporting payment documents. The system also supports invoice cancellation, optional cancellation, email notifications, and full receivables tracking. And because everything remains connected, from lead to deal to quotation to invoice to payment, management always maintains complete visibility over the entire revenue cycle. And finally, one of the biggest advantages of DocuProjects is mobility and speed. The mobile application allows field teams and sales teams to continue operations while on the move. Sales users can capture leads directly from mobile devices, manage tasks, monitor notifications, and even utilize OCR-based business card scanning capabilities to reduce manual data entry, improve operational efficiency, and real-time updates to the system. And finally, the pricing model of DocuProjects is designed to be simple, flexible, and business-friendly. Unlike traditional CRM platforms, DocuProjects is not based on monthly subscriptions. The platform operates on a prepaid credit model, where credits are mainly consumed during invoice generation, with 1 credit deducted per invoice. At the moment, core modules such as CRM, leads, deals, quotations, task management, dashboards, reports, and the mobile application are available free to use. Businesses can purchase credits directly through the Buy Credits section within the application itself. Currently, pricing plans range from $29 for 100 credits up to $179 for 1,000 credits, which doesn't expire, means you can use your credits when you need, without worrying about their expiry at all, allowing businesses to choose a package based on their operational requirements. You can register and start using DocuProjects completely free, with no credit card required, using the registration link provided in the description of this video. Once you register for the first time, you will also receive 10 free credits, allowing you to explore the system, understand the workflow, and get comfortable with the platform before purchasing additional credits. Buy credits, which is available within the platform. And if you have any questions on the product or pricing, please feel free to contact us directly at hello@docuprojects.com. and our team will be happy to assist you with custom requirements. The goal of DocuProjects is simple: to give businesses a centralized, connected, transparent, and mobile-friendly operational environment where management has complete visibility, employees have operational clarity, and the organization can move faster with better accountability and decision-making.